So look right. The universe and spirit wants you to get into the sun right and recharge. It's a lot of messages in nature. And you have to get out of nature to ground yourself. So make sure you walk outside barefooted to keep yourself grounded. And to keep your energy balanced. Let the sun beam on your crown chakra, your third eye, your root chakra, whatever chakra you want. Do yoga, meditation, it doesn't matter. Whatever you do to get to your higher self. Like me, I don't work with other entities. I work in the higher self. Because my higher self is more powerful. When you begin to learn who you are, these things, these entities will want to work with you. So it's actually a big difference. Depending on what energy you in too, that actually matters, Because when you working with different herbs and stuff like that, you'll be attracting more energy, healing energies. You'll be attracting things like that. You do not have to work with anything. You can work with yourself. The thing is to heal yourself, is to ascend yourself. Stop getting mixed into working with all these different things that you forget what the main part is. And that's to ascend. And that's to heal. Break generational curses. Don't follow the trend. Follow what's within. Right? And that was just a message that I got. Don't follow the trend. Follow what's in. What's within. If people is not on your energetic level, leave them. It's fine to leave people where they at. It's perfectly fine to leave them where they at. But don't self-sabotage because of your past trauma. Pay attention to how you're feeling at different times of the weather. Because it's like a controlling thing to where when you're sad, pay attention to if it rains or how the wind blows. That matters. The beauty spells that they send in is obviously not working. And then the thing about beauty spells is people will not look at you the way you're looking at yourself. Like, you probably look at yourself like, oh, I got this on my face, or oh, I got this, or this happened, or something like that. But other people still see the beauty on the outside and the inside within. We are ascending, and the people that are not ascending with us are getting left behind. Some of us have a journey and some of us have a path. And you're going to get knocked over or set the fuck down trying to come in between our path. A lot of people are trying to reconcile with you right now because of something's coming, a change. And the divine is bringing this. This is a gift from the divine. This is many gifts. This is the gift of patience. And learn how to control your anxiety, because anxiety is not always bad. Transmute that energy to something. Learn how to transmute the energies that is sent towards you, because this is going to help you on your path. When you learn the energy that is getting sent towards you, you will learn. When you learn what's being sent to you, what's your energy and what's not your energy, then you will learn what to transmute. These are downloads that I got, right? No cards. Because we don't need cards to channel. All we have to do is quiet out our mind and listen. Ashe.